Another simple recipe that you can use for a diet recipe too, less carbohydrates. I'm going to show you how to do curried lentil soup. For this recipe I'm using 250 grams whole lentils, yellow lentils, and I soaked it overnight. 1 onion, few cloves of garlic, bay leaves, and 1 chilli. Chilli is optional if you don't want to add any. Salt, 1 tomato, some fresh parsley, celery 2 sticks, and a pinch of turmeric powder with a teaspoon of curry powder. Use a mild flavored curry powder for this recipe, and about 1/4 cup of whipping cream and a tablespoon of olive oil. So let's start. Let's chop celery first, and the tomato, then the onion, chop roughly. Now the garlic. You can add 1 clove or few cloves of garlic to this recipe, and 2 bay leaves, and the chili. I'm going to cut it into 2, then it gives a mild zing to the recipe. Going to chop a little bit of parsley, and I'm going to leave the rest to garnish. Into a pan, add about a tablespoon oil. I'm going to add the parsley and the garlic. If you fry the garlic first until it gives that brown color, it gives nice flavor to your soup. Add the bay leaves. Stir fry until tender. When the garlic starts browning, add the celery, onion, tomato, and the chili. Stir fry. If you like, you can add a bit more oil. I'm going to stir fry in the same oil without adding too much. Stir fry this about 5 minutes until it is tender. Once the vegetables are tender, add the lentils. Into that, add the turmeric and the curry powder. Stir. And this is if you prefer only, you can add about 2 teaspoons of stock powder, and add the water to fill the pot, about 1 liter. And close the lid and simmer on a low heat about 45 minutes. The soup is almost ready, and this is how it is. Now taste the soup and add enough salt and pepper to your taste, and mix. After, add a bit of fresh parsley, and then the whipping cream. It depends how you like it. You can add lot or less. And bring it to boil, and it's ready to serve. Bring it to boil, stir well, and this is how it is. It's a really nice filling soup that you can serve with or without a crusty bread on the side. Hope you will enjoy. See you next time.